Hey guys, welcome to Krakow video series. In today's video, let's have a look at top 25 static GK questions on geography part 2 for CMAT 2025. First question, which of the following Indian state has the largest area under forests? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in India with 94,689 square kilometers, covering 30.7% of the geological area. It is followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Maharashtra in terms of area. However, Mizoram leads in percentage forest cover with 85.41% of its area under forests, making it the most forest-rich state. Next question. Which mountain range is the source of Krishna River? The answer is Sahyadri Range. The Krishna River rises from the Western Ghats near Jor village of Satara district of Maharashtra at an altitude of 1337 meters just north of Mahabaleshwar. The total length of river from origin to its outfall into the Bay of Bengal is 1400 kilometers. Next question. Which of the following planet has maximum number of satellites? The answer is Saturn. Saturn has the most natural satellites of any planet in our solar system with a total of 83. Here are the number of natural satellites for other planets. For Jupiter, there are 79 satellites. For Neptune, there are 14 and for Uranus, it's 27. Next question. The Mahakali Caves are a group of 19 rock cut monuments located in dash. The answer is Maharashtra. The Kondaviti Caves are a group of 19 rock cut monuments built between 1st century BCE and 6th century CE. This Buddhist monastery is located in the eastern suburb of Andheri in the city of Mumbai in western India. So here in this image you can see the Mahakali cave. Next question. Mushroom rocks are formed due to? The answer is wind erosion. Mushroom rocks, also known as rock pedestals, are formed by wind erosion. The wind erodes the base of the rock more than the top, giving it a mushroom shape. This is because the wind's capacity to carry material is greatest at a height of 2 to 3 feet above the base of the rock. Next question. The largest ocean on earth is? The answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world ocean basin. It is covering approximately 162 million square kilometers and containing more than half of the free water on earth. So the Pacific Ocean is by far the largest of the world's ocean basins. Next question. Where does the Alkananda River join the Bhagirathi River in India? The answer is Devaprayag. The Alkananda and Bhagirathi River join at Devaprayag in the Tehri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand, India. At this point, the two rivers merge to form the Holy Ganga River. Devaprayag is a pilgrimage town and is considered as one of the Panch Prayag in Uttarakhand. The name Devaprayag literally means Holy Confluence. Next question. Pushkar Lake is situated in which district of Rajasthan? The answer is Ajmer. Pushkar Lake, around which the Pushkar town has been developed, is in Ajmer district in the state of Rajasthan, India. The mountain range known as Nag Parbat, which is also known as Snake Mountain, separates the lake from the city of Ajmer. Next question. Which of the following is the world's largest inland sea? The answer is Caspian Sea. So, Caspian Sea is the largest inland sea on the world with 40 to 40% of the total lacustrine water of the world. It covers an area of 3,71,000 square kilometers and located between Asia and Europe. So, this is called as the Caspian Sea. Next question. Which of the following peaks is at the highest altitude in India? The answer is Kanchenjunga. So, Kanchenjunga is a mountain peak and it lies between Sikkim, India and Nepal. It is the third highest peak in the world with an elevation of 8,586 meters. It is the highest peak in India. 3 of the 5 peaks lie in India and 2 in Nepal. Next question. Which of the following is the Young-Fold mountain? The answer is the Alps. Next question. How many countries share land boundaries with India? The answer is 7. India shares its land borders with 7 countries, that is Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, Nepal, Bhutan and China in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Towards the south, it has 2 neighboring island countries called Sri Lanka and Maldives. Next question. The oceanic crust of the earth mainly consists of silica and magnesium. So if you see, this is the oceanic crust and it consists of silica and magnesium. Next question. At which place in India does the Yamuna River confluence with the Ganga River? The answer is Prayagraj. The Yamuna River meets the Ganga River at a place called Triveni Sangamam in Allahabad, a city located in the North Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. This is considered a holy site for Hindus and attracts a large number of pilgrims every year. Next question. Which of the following is a tributary of river Ganga? The answer is Gandaki. So this is called Gandaki River. So the Kali Gandaki is a tributary of the Ganga River in India. The Gandaki River is formed by the union of Kali and Trisuli rivers which rise in the Great Himalayan range in Nepal. The river enters India at the Indo-Nepal border where it meets the rivers Pachnad and Sonha at a confluence called Triveni. Next question. The Amazon River, considered the longest river in the world with a length of 6,400 kilometers, is located in the northern part of Dash. The answer is South America. So the Amazon River is located in the northern portions of South America, flowing from west to east. The river system originates in the Andes Mountains of Peru and travels through Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Bolivia and Brazil before emptying into Atlantic Ocean. Next question. Which of the following is the only large river in the Indian desert? The answer is Looney River. Looney is the only large river in the Indian desert region. In this region, streams appear during the rainy season. Soon after, they disappear into the sand as they do not have enough water to reach the sea. Next question. Which of the following is the only active volcanic island in India? The answer is Baron Island. So Baron Island, which is located in Andaman Sea above 135 kilometers northeast of Port Blair. It is the only active volcano in Indian subcontinent. It erupted in 1991 after being dormant for 150 years and has since experiencing small eruptions lasting 5 to 10 minutes. It is also the only active volcano along the volcanic arc stretching from Sumatra to Myanmar. Next question. Which of the following port is known as Diamond Harbor? The answer is Port of Haldia. Haldia Seaport is a riverine port situated on the Hooghly River in West Bengal. So it is known as Diamond Harbor. Diamond Harbor was originally known as Hajipur as it was situated on the banks of the Hajipur Creek. The name Diamond Harbor was applied by the British who used it for both river and sea shipping. Next question. Which country has the most time zones in the world? The answer is France. France has the most time zones in the world with 12 time zones within its borders and 13 when included its claim in Antarctica. The majority of France's time zone are due to its overseas territories. Next question. Name the only sea in the world that does not have a land boundary. The answer is Sargasso Sea. The Sargasso Sea is the only sea without a land border as it is wholly within the Atlantic Ocean. The Sargasso Sea is a large stretch of ocean named after the Sargassum genus of free-floating seaweed. Next question. Which river in India flows through a rift valley? The answer is Narmada. The Narmada and the Tapi are the major rivers in India that flow through Rift Valley. The Narmada originates on the western flank of the Amarkantak Plateau at a height of about 1057 meters. Next question. Which river basin covers an area of 8,60,000 square kilometers and is spread across 11 Indian states? The answer is Ganga Basin. So the Ganga Basin spreads across 8,61,404 square kilometers, which is 26% of the India's land area across 11 states, that is Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal and Delhi. It is a home to over 600 million people, which is nearly half of India's population and contributes over 40% of the country's GDP. Next question. Which state does Brahmaputra River enters when it takes U-turn at Namcha Barwa? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. The Brahmaputra River enters through the state of Arunachal Pradesh after taking a U-turn at the Namcha Barwa mountain peak. Next question. Paradip Port is located in which of the following states? The answer is Odisha. Paradip Port is a natural deep water port on the east coast of India in Paradip, just 53 kilometers from Jagatsinghpur city in Jagatsinghpur district of Odisha, India. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any doubts, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you.